Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and super well today. Welcome to my channel. So we are going to be talking about some summer wear layering pieces today, and I'll give you guys some ideas. I mean, summer is so short-lived. It's all about t-shirts and tank tops and shorts and flip-flops, and summertime is so short-lived. So if I have to dress myself well for summer, either going out or for work or home entertaining, it has to be sensible and practical pieces. So let's just get into the video, and I'm going to give you guys some ideas of some layering pieces you can wear over a tank top, a bralette, a beach cover-up, whatever the case may be. And let's start with these. This is going to be a try-on haul, and this is a size medium, and I got this from an online shop called idealworld.co.uk, and I was just flipping through the television one day and I came across this channel. Is, you know how you have QVC and HSN and all of that. This is called Ideal World, and these things were so cheap, and I thought, what a great idea for layering pieces. If you live in the UK, Ideal World is on whichever channel, I don't know, just look it up. And this is one of those things I really love. It looks like it's like a bell sleeve kind of thing, but it's really not. It's just so light. And if I bring this close, you can see like the popcorn detail on here. Very pretty. As you can see in the video, you can tie this up. You can keep it long if you wish. You can tie it lower to under the belly button or higher under the bust to give it like a nice, a really nice crop top kind of look. Very pretty, very light. Again, this is a great idea for layering pieces for the summer. You can really dress this up if you want with a beautiful pair of sandals, a bootleg, I would say jeans or bootleg legging, whatever color pants or pants or skirt you want to wear with this, it would be fine. This is like an oyster kind of color. It may come across white on screen, but it is very pretty, very light. Just throw it over your shoulders if you're going out for the evening or you're going to a theater or something like that and you feel like you're getting a little bit chilly. Just throw this over your shoulder. It's going to look absolutely great, beautiful. It's short and very light, great for a layering piece for the summertime. And of course you can wear this under your winter coat if you're going to work or something like that in the winter. I really like it. When I saw this on screen, on television, I thought, you know what, I gotta get this. So this is really pretty. And I picked up the pink. The pink is so cute. The pink is so girly. It's just like girly. I think of like a teenager when I think of this color. Very pretty. I don't have anything pink in my wardrobe, and I thought, you know what, why not get a pink one? This is very pretty too. Look at how cute that is. Really cute. And again, it's like a popcorn kind of detail, very soft, and this does not scratch your skin at all. It's very soft and light. And with pink, you can wear this with gray, with brown. You can wear this with even blue. You can, of course, white or black is always a staple you can have in your wardrobe. But with pink, you can go monochromatic, pink and pink if you wish. Shorts again, shorts, leggings. You can go with jeans. Pencil skirt. This is going to look so awesome with a pencil skirt. Oh my god, it's going to look so cute. And again, they're all in a size medium. Hope you guys can see that. I could have gone with the small because this has stretch to it. Okay, so a small would be perfect. So just order your normal size. Very pretty, cute. Again, you can tie this lower to the front, or you can make this or you can make this a crop top and tie it a little bit closer to the bust area. You can put like a belt around the hips. You can put a belt around the waist. You can put a belt under the bust. You can dress this up and make this your own style. Very pretty. So the first one was the oyster, and this is the pink one. And then I picked up the red. The red is so cute. I don't know which one is my favorite color, but the red is very pretty. Red over black. Come on. Imagine you're wearing a white tank top and a white pair of pants and this over top. It's going to look rich. It's going to look so classy. It's going to look amazing. So pretty. As you can see, it's pretty much light. You can see straight through this. Very, very pretty. I just love these pieces. Great layering pieces for the summer season. And of course, you can wear this all year round if you're entertaining at home, your backyard party, backyard barbecue, going to some event, meeting up with friends, movies, theaters, shows, just an evening out walking the dog, whatever. At nighttime, just throw this on. It's going to keep you nice and warm, because sometimes in the summertime you may get those little cool days, and this would be just perfect. Lovely, lovely pieces for layering pieces for the summer. Love it. Isn't that beautiful? I love the red, but I'm so drawn to the pink. I'm drawn to the pink because it reminds me of, you know, a girl. Girls love things, and girls love pink. Very, very pretty. Love that. And I do have the black as well. Black is also just a typical staple color in your wardrobe, and they're all medium size. Black and black, not a problem. What you can do, you can just cut out the tag if you want. That's what you're seeing in the video. It's just a tag, and very pretty. All the colors are very, very, very nice. They're so cute though. I mean, you can actually see how thin this is. Very, very, very light layering pieces. I remember one time, you know, it was about 32 degrees, really boiling hot. If you want to avoid yourself getting too dark or too tanned with the arms and the shoulders, put this on. It's gonna look really, really nice. A beach cover up, walking on the beach. It's gonna look absolutely awesome. So I got 4 colors. This is the black. I got the red here. This is the pink, and of course I got the oyster color, which is really nice. And you know, you can alternate them, dress up however you want. You know, you can dress them up, you can dress them down, keep them casual or whatever you like. And this is another one that I picked up from idealworld.co.uk. Here we go. This is a jacket. I love this stripe piece. It is just so pretty. This is in a size, let me just see, this is a size 14, and this has a beautiful hood, and this jacket is as light as a feather. During the summer seasons, you do have those rainy days, and if you just want to step out to go to the grocery store to pick up a couple of things, you throw this on a rainy day, or even in the evening time would be really, really great. So lovely. You've got 2 pockets to the front. And I love the stripe details, and this is very, very sexy. Okay, very, very pretty. And again, you know, you have the string here you can pull just to tighten the hood if you want. And on the inside, you do have a pocket. So if you're going in for the evening and you just want to throw in your keys, your phone, and a bank card, you're good to go. You're all done. You don't have to have a purse. You can just put all of your goodies right in there. It's just one pocket, and the lining is quite nice as well. Very, very nice. Great layering piece for the summer on those rainy days. And if it's a hot day, I don't think you're going to wear this. You're just going to be boiling in it. But it's just if it's raining and you're stepping out, just put this on. It's really, really, really cute. Very nice in a size 14. And there we go. I really love this piece. And you can zip it up, zip it down. It is just so cute. And of course, you do have the side slits here for some comfort if you want to slip into the car or on a little scooter or something like that. Really, really pretty. Great layering ideas for the summertime, and they're going to keep you so stylish for the summer. And I'm going to leave the name of everything in the description box for you guys, just in case, or you can pick something up that's that's similar to these. Because not everyone lives in the UK and stuff like that, but you can get simple layering pieces. These are just ideas for you guys. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this little fashion layering pieces ideas for you guys today. Again, I will just leave everything in the description box. Again, you don't have to pick up exactly what I have, but if you can find something that's similar, that would be absolutely awesome. And on that note, this is the end of the video. My name is Odette. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you next time. Bye.